Alright, so I'm just going to try to show you here how you can, this is the belt, and how you can put the belt on without having to take everything apart. So it slips on pretty easy. You want to put it over the big pulley first, or the main wheel, the Cuda wheel, and then put it on the smaller pulley here first, and then just kind of ease it up over the teeth of the big wheel. So that's all there is to it. So it's pretty easy. So you can just convert. I leave this on, it doesn't throw the balance off that easy. Also when you're doing the power, you always want to be able to grab onto something. The wheel's big enough to grab, but the handles are all the easier to do it. So this is the, I'm not sure what it is, it's a 1.5 amps. And then with the Cuda crank wheel and the belt. And if you want to go back to the original wheel that comes with it, you can do that also. And the belt comes with this. There are 2 wrenches for this. There's this Allen wrench here, and that's just to take the handle off. Sorry, it goes in here and take the handle off if you don't want that on there. There's also another Allen wrench, smaller, and under the belt here, there's actually some set screws. Here they are right here. There's a set screw here. They're actually not tightened down right now to the crank, but you can tighten those down in case the clutch doesn't necessarily grab it. But I haven't had any problems. I don't go through that thick of material with it. I just keep them loose for that way when you wind a new bobbin, you don't have to loosen these back out. So there's actually 2 set screws, one here and one on the bottom side here. So that's what this other Allen wrench is for. There is also a cover for the pulley system here, but I guess I really don't need it. I don't have any small kids here, but this can go on here somehow or another. I've never put, actually I put it on once, I just never need it because if you want to take things on and off, you got 2 screws to deal with. So that's that. So let's show you how that works. It does just that extra inertia that you get with the wheel itself makes it work a lot better. I'm just going to pause this for a second while I get some material ready. Alright, so now we're all set to go. I'm just going to... So we have the, oops, I didn't put the pulley back on, or the belt. Excuse me for one more second. Okay, got that back on. So we got the full pulley on. Cuda, I keep on calling them pulleys, but balance wheel with the nylon. This came with it. And we're just going to go through the same stitches again to show how it works. Again, it's a lot smoother with the big wheel, just because of the bigger inertia, but it's a little bit easier because of the gearing on it also. Let's grab my threads here. Shoot. So we're just going to start with the straight stitch again. I always try to bury the needle first. Can't get a good grip on it. Hold this at the same time. There we go. Stitch. There you have it. So it moves along pretty good with it. Much easier than the smaller pulley. You just have a lot more control with it. Let's just bury this. And let's do a little turn here. There, I'll bring that back to a 3. Oops, can you see? Nope, you can't. Sorry. So that's pretty good control that you have with that wheel. You would not have that much control with the other wheel. Oops, I lost a bobbin. Oh no, I didn't. Thought I lost my bobbin thread. Sorry if I wasn't trying to talk. I think my stitching would be a little bit better there. It's not bad. And I did a little reverse here. Bottom side. That's kind of it. It has no power or problem. Doesn't have any problem going through with motor on thicker layers here either, so I can fold this up. Back to 6 layers here again. Come on, you. Let's just reverse here, forward. There you go, 6 layers of Dacron again. And again, you can't tell which one it is, but actually the middle one right here.